Today we have Langoose, there is again, and Raido. Langoose is the water rune or the divine feminine rune, and we know Theros is the god ring, the god's divine evil monsters, all that fun jazz. And then Raidu is the traveling rune or the horse and rider rune, however you want to kind of describe it. Today, my thoughts on it: your intuition, your divine soul knowledge, your gut is letting you know that there is an option, a divine option on healing, on working past this drama, this bad juju, if you want to say, and using that to move you forward. There is an instance too of, looks like divine a divine hiccup, a divine hi Butch. Okay. A divine hiccup of such. Something that kind of suggests that it's a divine hiccup that's going to propel you forward, and you're going to know it because it's going to initiate in your intuition. It's going to initiate in your gut, and you're just going to know. You're going to have that boop, I know feeling, and it's going to propel you forward. It's going to give you that last bit to get past all of this just drama, this leftover juju stuff that you had to process. So go forth and conquer today, and know that your intuition is on point, and know that that future is looking bright, and you've got the movements already set. You just have to go through the little hiccup. So be prepared for the hiccup. Don't worry about it or anything, because that's what it is. It's just a little hiccup to propel you forward. Have a great day and be blessed.